How to reply to comments in Google Sheet. Google Sheet isn't just about numbers, it's about conversations too. When your team leaves comments, replying keeps the discussion flow and discussion transparent, all in one place. Let's dive into how you can keep the chat going without ever leaving your sheet. So, open the sheets where you have got a comment. Here you can see a comment is there. If you simply you can see view comment, tap on it. Here you can see a comment is there, and at the bottom only reply or add another other with at the rate. So you can simply reply from here and tag other people like at the rate blah blah blah, whoever you want. You can mention them in the comment. It's done. You'll be replying to a comment like this.